Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove the 456 frame from your TikTok profile. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so the first step we have to take is to head to our profile. So I'll click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. All right, so as you can see right here, I have the 456 frame right here on my profile. So if I want to remove this frame, all I have to do guys is to click and hold on my profile. All right, so I just have to click and hold on it like this, and then I'll get these two options. One is to change photo and the other one is to so let me click on that again. All right, and the other one is to change frame. Right, so I'll just go ahead and click on change frame, and here you're going to see that I can select either none or 456 player. All right, so I'll just go ahead and select none and click save. Once that is saved, you'll notice that you no longer have the 456 frame on your profile anymore. All right, so that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.